Hey, good morning. It's Jeff McDowell, the bald guy, here to bring you a video tour on this very special 2013 E550 Sedan. Very cool car. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. You'll notice that we do have that palladium silver, a nice kind of medium gray. Front end's in pretty good shape. There's a little bit of wear marks that are in there, but nothing too crazy. There's a little bit of peeling on the chrome right here. Take a look here down the passenger side. Here's your front wheel. Meat still pretty healthy on the tires. You have a panoramic sunroof. Your interior, you do have the black with our anthracite poplar wood. Seats are in really good condition, heated and ventilated seating. The only thing I saw for cosmetic on the interior is this right here. Some fine scratches on the wood trim in the back seat. Back seat doesn't even look like it's very or rarely been used. There's your passenger rear wheel. Small little dent right along here. One thing I do want to point out is this is a Renntech tuned. It's stage 1, so it's mostly ECU. We did it here. All weather mats plus carpet mats. Driver rear wheel, down the driver's side. Driver's seat. I also like to point out I'm not picking up any odors of like pets or smoking or anything. You'll see just over 54,000 miles, so nice low miles. You do get the wood and leather steering wheel, force navigation, AM, FM, satellite. Then of course your source navigation telephone. They button wore down a little bit on the heated side, but nothing too crazy. And then your dual climate control. And you did ask about the suspension. I drove it for a couple miles, put it in between the sport and the comfort. Felt really solid all the way around, but definitely a really good car. One of my favorites is the E550. Such a sleeper. It just looks like a basic sedan, but when you hit that accelerator, it'll definitely take off and get up and moving. So I'd love to invite you in, take it for a test drive yourself, and see what you think. Thank you so much.